Hello children, welcome to 8th Chemistry online classes. Today we will start the new lesson, that is chapter 5, Coal and Petroleum. First we will see the introduction of the chapter. We use various materials for our basic needs. So for living we have some needs, basic needs. Some of them are found in nature and some have been made by human efforts. I think you have already studied about these resources in 6th standard. Okay, so these resources are natural resources and man-made resources. Okay, so the resources are classified as natural resources and man-made resources. So in this picture you can see that under these natural resources, sun, water, trees, animals, plants, air, soil, etc. are the examples of natural resources. And what are man-made resources? In this picture you can see the factories, the vehicles, bridges, roads, houses, all other constructions. These all are under man-made resources. So we already discussed about resources, and resources are two types, natural resources and man-made resources. So first we see about natural resources. The sources which are obtained from nature are called natural resources. Example, forest, sun, rain, water, etc. Then next is types of natural resources. Which are the two types of natural resources? Exhaustible natural resources and inexhaustible natural resources. The two types are there, exhaustible natural resources and inexhaustible natural resources. And exhaust means what? Exhaust means feeling tiredness, or here we can use the meaning use up completely. Okay, so see the definition. The amount of these resources in nature is limited. They can be exhausted by human activities. So by human activities, the amount or that resource may finish. So their quantity is very limited quantity, not much. And by human activities, or we exploit that resources. Examples: forest, coal, petroleum, minerals, wildlife, natural gas, etc. So you know that forest is an exhaustible natural resource and which can be ended by deforesting. You studied, maybe you studied that deforestation. Okay, so by deforesting for making the furniture and for our needs, we exploit or we destruct that nature. So these are the examples of exhaustible natural resources: forest, coal, petroleum, minerals, wildlife, natural gas, etc. Next we will see the next type of natural resource, that is inexhaustible natural resources. These sources are present in unlimited quantity in nature and are not likely to be exhausted by human activities. So their quantity, the inexhaustible natural resources, their quantity is abundant, or that is too much, and they are not limited. So by human activities, their resources are not finished. Okay, and examples: sunlight, air, etc. Soil, these all are inexhaustible resources, and they are renewable also. We can renew that thing after some years, that are renewable. Okay, so this in this chapter we will learn about some exhaustible natural resources like coal, petroleum, minerals, natural gas, etc. and these were formed from the dead remains of living organisms. Like this coal, petroleum, minerals, these are obtained from these dead remains of living organisms, and they are called fossils. These dead remaining are called fossils. So we can call these coal, petroleum, minerals as fossil fuels. Fossil fuels, because they are obtained from dead remains of living organisms. The detailed study we will do in the next class. Okay, children? Okay, thank you.